Today we will learn some basic strokes for cursive writing. Let us start. Slanting line. We will start from the lowercase blue line to up. Start from here like this. Slanting line. Start from the lower line to upper line. Slanting line. Slanting line. Next is sleeping line. Left to right. Left to right. Like this. Sleeping line. Curve. Right side curve. Like this. Make a fine curve. Start from here and make a fine curve like this. Curve. Now next is backward curve like this. Backward curve. Backward curve. Loop. Slanting line. Make a loop. Slanting line. Loop. Slanting line. Loop. Next is big loop. Big slanting line and make a loop. Big slanting line. Make a loop. Big slanting line. Make a loop. There are some important steps which are helpful to write cursive writing like this. Slanting line, come down. Slanting line, come down. Slanting line, come down. Like this. Slanting line, come down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Do not move your hand. Another is